Put a finger down if you can't say no to people because you feel bad. Put a finger down, nice addition. If you put 5 fingers down, you are too nice. Put a finger down if you've said sorry even though it wasn't your fault. Put a finger down if you smile at strangers. Put a finger down if you've laughed at a joke that wasn't funny. Put a finger down if you're nice enough to leave a like and follow. Put a finger down if you've ever paid for a friend's food. Put a finger down if you've ever helped the first person who pops up when you click share, then more. Put a finger down if you've held the door open for a stranger. Put a finger down if you've helped an elderly person cross the road. Put a finger down if you've given charity in the last month. If not, this is your reminder. Comment how many fingers you put down.